Hey guys, it's Eric. Today I'm going to show you how to change out the buttons on your air-water syringe.
We're going to use the DCI part number 3085 air-water syringe tool. The first thing you're going to want to do is turn off the master switch to the dental unit. Next, you're going to take your air-water syringe tool, push down on the buttons on the air-water syringe, and push the pin out with the tool. From there, you're just going to grab the pin and slide it right out. Once the retention pin is removed, it's easy to pull out the air-water syringe buttons. Inside the ports of the air-water syringe are two conal springs that can easily pop out into your hand. Not shown in this video is cleaning the inside of the ports with a 6-inch cotton tip applicator and some rubbing alcohol. Here you'll notice the old water button is discolored. Here you'll notice that this new button has no discoloration on it. It is simple as placing the conal springs back down inside of the ports. You want to place them fat side down. From there, you're just going to go ahead and place the buttons back inside of the ports, press down on the buttons ever so slightly, and use the retention pin and place it back inside the hole. I always like to use something as a solid surface to put a little pressure on to put the pin back in its place. Next, you just need to turn on your master switch to your dental unit and you're good to go. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any questions, please comment below.